Okay, this is the notes for 1.3c, solving for a variable. Okay, in question 1, you're asked to solve for r. Now, we're going to solve this exactly like we would a normal equation. Notice we have a minus s and a minus 1 here. We know that to solve for, or to move these, we just add our s over, add our 1 over. This is going to give us p plus s plus 1 equals r. Alright, so question 2, we're given 2xy equals w. We're asked to solve for x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this to be 2yx equals w. Okay, and so I can kind of group my 2y as one piece. Now if I were to think of this as, say, 10x equals 50, I know I just divided by the 10. Here, same idea. I have my 2y here, so I'm going to divide by 2y. Now when I do this, basically I'm just going to get the fraction of w over 2y. Question 3, this is a basic two-step equation. We have k equals 5r minus s. Okay, so in this type of equation, we know that we always get rid of the plus or minus part first. Okay, so a minus we know we bring over by adding, so we're going to start by adding s. Okay, so we don't know what k or s is, so we have to move this as just k plus s equals 5r. Right. From here, what we're going to do is, since we have a 5 on our r, we're going to have to divide by the r. Okay, and just like we did in the last problem, we end up with a fraction. Okay, in this case, we end up with k plus s all over r, or all over 5 rather, equals our r value. Okay, and then question 4 is a little bit harder. We have r, b minus 6, and then outside of parentheses m. Okay, so since this m is outside of the parentheses, we're going to remove it first. So again, it's bumped up against the parentheses, which means times. So to do the opposite of it, we divide. So we divide by m, which will give us r over m equals rb minus 6. From here, we need to get rid of the minus 6. So we know to get rid of a minus, we add it. So if we add 6 to this, we keep it as r over the m plus the 6 equals our b value. Okay, so that is the notes for 1.3c, solving for a variable.